What's going on guys, Kyle here from Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Notion AI for writing. On your page you can simply hit the spacebar and you will see Edit with AI. Alternatively, you can hit the / and type in AI and then select AI Meeting Notes or Ask AI or AI Block. So we're just going to hit spacebar for this video and then ask it what you would like it to do. For example, we can say, write me an email draft about the weather today in America. And there you go. AI has created a draft email with the subject, checking in, weather update from the US, hi, and then information. Then review it and make any necessary edits that you would like to make, or simply ask AI to change a few things. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise.